Henry Louis Vivian Diageo was a great social reformer. He was born on 18th April 1809 at Entirely in Kolkata. Francis Diageo and Sophie Johnson were his parents. His early education started at David Diamond's Dharmotola Academy. He started his career as a teacher of English literature and history at Hindu College. He inspired free radical thinking among his students. He started Young Bengal movement. Beside this, he also edited some magazines as the assistant editor of the India Gazette and the editor of the Calcutta Gazette, the East India and the Bengal Annual, etc. Some of his novel works included To India, My Native Land, The Harp of India, The Fakir of Jangira, etc. This great man passed away on 26th December in 1831. He is no more with us, but his contribution will last forever.